Hello Kayami! Hello friends! Welcome to my channel, Build My Yummy Foods. Our easy yummy recipe for today is a banana recipe. If you're getting tired of making banana bread for your overripe banana, then this is one of your alternative. My banana balls with cheese. If you want to know how I do it, please continue watching and I'll show you how I make it. Ingredients, we have 5 bananas or saba. And for the dry ingredients, we have powdered milk, and then all-purpose flour, dark brown sugar, and then flavor enhancer, salt. And then for the wet mixtures, we have evaporated milk. You can also use water for business, and then vanilla extract. And then for the filling, we have cheese, cube cheese, and then to moisten the balls, we have a small amount of evaporated milk, and then breadcrumbs for coating. Oil for frying. And then if you want, after frying, you can also add chocolate syrup and just usual Maruya. You can also, spread some star margarine or butter, and then some sprinkle of sugar. Okay? Maruya or banana fritter in the Philippines with margarine and sugar, and this one for my husband, Americanized. Hello, Kayami! Hello, friends! Yeah, we're on our tasting portion. This is the best part. I love it. Okay. Tasting this. Actually, this is my fourth and fifth. Okay. Still crunchy and creamy. And of course, rich because of the chocolate. Because a while ago, I eat the classic with star margarine. Thank you on my episode 9. Thank you for the nice comment to my brother Erickson Maliguez. Thank you, Eric, for supporting my channel. Yes, and also to the creator of Wake and Bake Recipes. Sir, thank you for subscribing to my channel. And you know, guys, he's a good baker. Yeah. Just watch his channels too. And also, last night I met our neighbor, Johnny Martinez, Jonathan. Yeah, thank you for appreciating her. Actually, that's the worst video we ever made, the first episode, which is the Lumpiang Shanghai. But if you patiently read all the directions and the recipes, I put everything there, including the tips and secrets on how to have a long-lasting crunchy egg rolls. Okay? It's in there. And also to my kababayan, Filipina, she's Filipina also. Maria Teresa Aliejo, she recognized me last night. Feeling celebrity ang ating. Yes. Yeah. Thank you for subscribing, Miss Teresa Aliejo. I forgot the name of your husband, but Aliejo, yes, I remember. Yes. And thank you for watching, guys. Happy Sunday.